Hi, Piggy. Hi, Jacob.
Have you seen this icon before?
Yes, saw this from my phone and computer. People say this is a cloud. So what's the cloud, Jacob?
Cloud is very popular term.
Usually, people say you can store file on the cloud. A simple way to understand the cloud is just very powerful computer that is located somewhere else, like not at your home. So you are using your device to connect to that computer through the internet. In this way, you can use any resource from that powerful computer. Oh, so the cloud is only one huge supercomputer like a Superman? It is actually a bunch of server computers connected together, and we can call it data center. That's why it is so powerful. And your files are actually stored into one of these servers on the data center. Wow, how exciting! So do you know who is the provider for all this data center? One of the biggest cloud services provider is called AWS, which is by Amazon. You know what kind of services it includes? A lot, Piggy, like storage, computing power, databases, networking, analytics, developer tools, virtualization, or even security, and so forth. I'm not so sure of why cloud is so popular. Any idea? For personal use, your hard drive or computer may have risk of non-functional, and using cloud can help you to back up and sharing your files to other devices or even other friends. So it's very convenient. Oh, so it's always available, and I have all files backup in the cloud. Right, for enterprise, you can add and drop services in any time. This actually will save lots of resource and planning. Wow, I love the flexibility of it. Exactly, that's the beauty of the cloud. You pay only when you need it. Cool. Thank you, Jagan. Now I know why AWS is so popular for personal or enterprise users.